Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone specification and price. First go to our website usnmix.com. Then there is one report about Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone specification and price. So this is the report. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. Also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information and tips on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. First go to the full report. Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone specification and price. US Mix report. Redmi Note 8 Pro with 64 MP camera launched. No price and specification. So this camera has 64 MP camera. 8 Pro Redmi Note 8 Pro app 64 megapixel camera. The 64 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor has been given in Redmi Note 8 Pro. Camera features is very good. With the help of this camera, photos of better quality can be clicked even in low light condition. So if the light is very low, light is not available, light is very low light, the picture is clear and prominent, because it's a 64 megapixel and ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi unveiled the Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro in China. This is first time smartphone in the world to have a primary sensor of 64 megapixels. Apart from this, Redmi TV and Redmi Book 14 were also launched. The 64 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor has been given in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. With the help of this camera, photos of better quality can be clicked even in the low light condition. 4 camera setup has been given in this phone. Apart from the primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor has been given. The selfie camera in this smartphone is 20 megapixel. Talking about other specification, its screen is 6.53 inches, whose resolution is 1080 into 2340 pixels. So it is high resolution picture is taken from this phone. It is 6.53 inches, but pixels, the resolution of this picture is high because it is 64 megapixel camera. 1080 into 2340 pixels picture has been taken in this camera. This device is fully covered with Gorilla Glass 5. So it is totally protected, screen protected. Gorilla Glass is, full device is covered with Gorilla Glass 5. The smartphone has a Helio MediaTek G90T processor. This is the first smartphone of Redmi in which liquid cooling system has been used. The phone does not heat up despite playing games continuously with the help of cooling system. The battery capacity of this smartphone is 4500 MHz, which supports 18 watt fast charging. Apart from this, it also supports USB type. Redmi Note 8 Pro price. Talking about the price, there is 2 variants of Redmi 8 Pro. So the price of 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory storage variant of Redmi Note 8 Pro is around 14,000. The price of 6GB plus 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage variant is around 16,000 rupees, 16,000 price, and the price of 8GB RAM and 128GB variant is close to rupees 18,000. So with the little difference, the price is difference with 2,000 rupees. All the variants, there are 3 variants: 6GB plus 64GB, is rupees is 14,000, and 6 GB 128 GB its price 16,000, and 8 GB 128 GB variant price is rupees 18,000 rupees in Indian market. Redmi Note 8 Pro price and features. 8 price and features. Redmi Note 8 has a 48 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GM2 primary sensor. 3 other cameras are 8 MP, 2 MP plus 2 MP. 8 MP, 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel is quad core camera setup. The selfie camera is 13 megapixel. Its screen is 6.39 inches. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So, and 3 variants of this smartphone have been launched. Internal memory 64 GB plus 4 GB RAM, which is cost around 10,000. The internal memory 64 GB with 6 GB RAM, which cost 12,000. At the same time, the price of 6 GB plus 128 GB internal memory is rupees 13,999, approximately 14,000. So this is about our report, but in my specification, Redmi Note Pro is very good smartphone, and this is the very good camera feature. 64 megapixel ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor, which has been given Redmi Note 8 Pro, and it can capture better quality of photo in the low light condition. Also, this Redmi Note 8 Pro is 64 megapixel camera, so the resolution is high, 1080 into 2340 pixels resolution picture can be taken, and its screen is 6.53 inches, fully covered with Gorilla Glass 5, and with the help of this camera, photos can be quality. Photo is very good, and 4 camera setup has been given in this phone. Apart from primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro sensor has been given. Selfie camera is 20 megapixel, and the smartphone has Helio MediaTek G90T processor. This is the first time the Redmi, which is liquid cooling system, when we are playing this game, anyone who are using this phone and playing any computer game, a mobile game in this mobile, so this cooling system has been used to cool the system. So the phone does not heat up despite playing games continuously with the help of this cooling system. This cooling system is used in this mobile phone, in this smartphone. The battery capacity is 4,500 megahertz. It is too much. So, and 18-watt fast charging. So it's taken charge quickly. The charger is very good. Charger and battery is very good condition, and also the cooling system helps to continuous playing the game with this cooling system, with the help of this cooling system. So, and is USB type C. So it supports USB type C, and its price is 14 to 18,000. So I think Redmi Note 8 Pro is the best phone in this Indian market. It is budget phone. Anyone can purchase this 14,000 to 18,000. All the variants are there. 3 type of variants: 6 GB, 64 GB, 14,000; 6 GB, 128 GB, 16,000; and 8 GB plus 128 GB variant cost 18,000. So all the variants are there. So it is very good phone. I recommend to purchase this type of phone because it is helpful for everything. When you are playing game, when you are taking camera, and when you are talking with anyone, battery capacity is very good. So in all features are there in this Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone. So, and the price of this phone is not too much high and not too low. So if you are a mediocre people of this Indian market, of the Indian mediocre people can purchase this phone easily, because its price is 14,000 to 18,000 according to their RAM and internal storage capacity. So, and that's it about our phone. But it is very good phone. Redmi Note 8 Pro is specially for camera, 64 megapixel camera, ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor, and also the smartphone has 6.53 inches screen display, and resolution of this picture is very high, 1080 into 2340 pixel. For protection, the phone is protected Gorilla Glass 5 and Helio MediaTek G90T processor. Liquid cooling system has been used for the continuous playing games with the help of this cooling system of this smartphone. The battery capacity is 4500 megahertz and 18 watt fast charging capacity, and price is also in the range of 14,000 to 18,000. And Redmi Note 8 price is also, the features are the same, but it is below the features of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Redmi 8 Note 8 Pro or Note 8 have 48 megapixel camera, but the Note 8 has 48, Note 8 Pro has 64, and it has ISOCELL GM2 or the GW1 primary sensor, and the others cameras are same. The selfie camera of this Redmi 8 Pro is 20 megapixel, but selfie camera of Redmi 8 is 13 megapixel. There is 6.53 inches Redmi 8 Pro, but in case of this Redmi 8, 6.39 inches. And also this is the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection for any damage. It is totally covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection of this smartphone. All these features are the same. 3 variants. Its price is little low, 10,000 to 14,000. So it is around 10,000, 12,000 and 14,000, and it start from 14,000, 16,000 and 18,000. So these two phones are very good in the market, but I recommend it that Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone is the best till now in the market, in Indian market. So you can, if you wish, you can purchase it. I think the best is the 18,000. If you purchase, if you can afford 16,000, then you can afford easily 18,000. So I think I recommend it, but it is totally decision up to you which phone is you want to buy. But I recommend Redmi Note 8 Pro, which is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. That is I recommend this phone, which price is 18,000. It is the best phone till now in the Indian market. And that's it about our report. And if you like our video, then like, share, subscribe of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.